Hi, kitty. Hey, Casey.
Hey.
Hey, Panda. What you doing? Does that taste good? Panda. Just standing there.
Why, is he looking at you?
No, he's just standing there. He's thinking about whether or not to lick your head again. Lift it up toward his head. Lift up your head. Oh, he's done.